Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy, or just want to see how websites work without all the bells and whistles, disabling JavaScript in Google Chrome on your mobile device is a quick and easy process. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to turn off JavaScript in Chrome on your phone. First, unlock your device and open the Google Chrome app. This is your gateway to the internet, and where you'll make the changes. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. Tap on those to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings. This section lets you customize how Chrome behaves on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Site Settings. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of controls for how websites interact with your browser, like permissions for location, notifications, and more. Now, look for the JavaScript option in the list. It's usually a little way down, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Tap on JavaScript to open its settings. You'll see a simple toggle switch at the top of the screen. If JavaScript is currently enabled, the switch will be on. To turn it off, just tap the toggle. When it's off, websites will no longer be able to run JavaScript in your browser. That's it. You've successfully disabled JavaScript in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Keep in mind that some websites may not work as expected without JavaScript, since many rely on it for interactive features and smooth browsing. If you ever want to turn JavaScript back on, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle back to the on position. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from a more private or streamlined browsing experience.